Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about something special and that is the best ADX indicators for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Alright, so if you're serious about improving your trend analysis, you're going to love what is coming up. Now, everybody knows that identifying trend strength is key in trading, but not every indicator gives you the full picture, especially when markets get volatile. And that is the reason why in this video, I'm showcasing an advanced ADX tool that takes things to another level. Now, before we dive in, let us get something straight. Every trader has their own preferences when it comes to indicators, right? What one person calls the best, another might not even use. Okay, so it is important to find what fits your strategy, your mindset, and your trading style. There is no one size fits all in this game, okay? And that is completely okay. That being said, I'm going to be adding the advanced ADX indicator to the chart right away. Okay, so if you're familiar with the standard ADX indicator, you're going to see a difference with this. You can see that this is not how the standard ADX indicator looks like. In fact, let's just add the ADX indicator to the chart so we can do a quick comparison. You can see that the ADX indicator basically works with lines, right? But the advanced ADX indicator goes, a bit further and uses, what looks like histogram bars, and of course uses color codes to let you know when bullish momentum is prevailing and when bearish momentum is prevailing. Remember that the ADX does not tell you the direction of the trend. What it does is to tell you the strength. Okay, but the advanced ADX goes a step further by giving you insight as to whether it's a bearish trend at the time or a bullish trend with the aid of the the color codes, right? Okay, so we're going to be focusing on the advanced ADX. So let me just remove the ADX indicator from the chart. All right, so as you can see, this particular ADX upgrade that we are looking at in this video stands out for a reason, right? It is designed to make your life easier, especially when reading momentum. Traditional ADX indicators can sometimes be a little bit hard to interpret at a glance, right? But with this tool, everything becomes much more intuitive thanks to one key feature, which is the color coding. This advanced ADX indicator uses specific colors to represent bullish strength and bearish strength. Now, you can actually modify this tool according to your taste. You can see the colors. You can actually modify the colors if you're not comfortable with this, but obviously colors are not a big deal, right? You can actually decide to just work with the colors that you have there. But when you notice that the blue colorings are appearing, it shows that the momentum, that the strength that is prevailing at the time is bullish strength. And when you notice the orange, it shows that the strength that is prevailing at the time is bearish strength, right? And then of course, just like how the regular ADX functions, when you have the ADX lines above the 20 level, then it shows the strength is notable. The strength is significant, right? You have to be looking out for the ADX lines to cross above the 20 level, showing that there is significant strength. So when the ADX is above the 20 level and it is blue in color, it means it is bullish strength. And when the ADX is above the 20 level and it is orange in color, it means that it is bearish strength. Right? It's very straightforward. If you can see, let's just look at some practical examples. You can see this was where this bearish move started from, and you can see that the ADX highlighted, although this point was where the ADX crossed the 20 level, right? That was where the ADX crossed the 20 level, It's just that the trend did not last long enough. So that is why you also have to pay attention to your market structure. Had it been you were using market structure and noticed that there was a break of structure, a change of character here, we got a confirmation and jumped into the trade, this would have just been an added confirmation that the bearish trend was quite strong enough. But shortly afterwards, you can see the blue line appeared. So at the appearance of that blue line, it showed that the bearish trend was already getting weak. It's very straightforward, right? You can see all this while that the ADX was below the 20 level. You should have just stayed out of the trade. Reason being that it was a consolidating market, right? When the ADX is below the 20 level, it's possibly a consolidating market. So you just want to stay out of the trade to be on the safer side. Okay, we are looking for high probability trades. Okay, so basically, whether you are trading short-term moves or holding for larger swings, being able to visually confirm trend strength without needing to decode messy numbers is a serious advantage, right? This tool is made for traders who want fast, decisive information so they can act with confidence. So if you're someone who values simplicity combined with power, you'll want to take a closer look at this indicator. In fast moving markets, every second counts, right? And having instant feedback on trend momentum can make all the difference. Okay, can actually make all the difference. Okay, but I need to emphasize that when using this indicator, just like every other indicator out there, you need to make sure that you do not neglect your risk management. Risk management is crucial. You might be using the best indicators out there, but if you are not able to manage your risk effectively, you're going to lose money. It's not about having the best tools, it's not about having the best strategies. You might have the best strategies, but you are still necessarily needed to employ proper risk management practices, and that involves not over leveraging, not risking high percentage of your account in a single trade, using good risk to reward ratios, and so on and so forth. And to start with, don't even trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose. Okay, you need to have peace of mind while you are trading. You don't want to have high blood pressure just because of trading. Okay, so that is it basically for this video. And if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more traders like you. And if you're hungry for more tips, tools, and strategies to level up your trading game, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Meanwhile, remember that this is a custom indicator, so you would have to download this indicator from a third-party site. You can just go ahead and search for the advanced ADX indicator. When you do that, you download it, you add it to your indicators folder, you restart your terminal, and then you load it to your chart. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next one.